Hello, Mallangs. This is SelLeongTang. SelLeongTang is beef soup. More specifically, it's a broth. We simmer for a whole night until we extract all the flavor and gelatins from the bone itself. And then we put biscuit in it until it becomes tender and slice, serve with the soup. Usually, if you go Korean restaurant, they will let you decide how much salt you want to put, how much onion you want to put, because everyone have a different taste, right? Nowadays, some restaurants season it for you. Of course, they are still lightly seasoned, so you can add more salt in it. It usually comes with noodles inside as well. How we eat is that we eat some meat or noodles to drink some soup, or you can just put the rice in it like me and eat with kimchi, any reddish kimchi, the side dishes coming out of it. It has really deep, rich flavor, and as you can see, it's very soft like a milk. For SelLeongTang, we put more bones than meat itself when we simmer it. That's why the color of the soup is more milky. And if we put more heavily on meat itself, the broth itself become more clear. Some restaurants even like powder the bone after they simmer the broth and then put it into the soup to create more flavor in it. If you ever go to Korea for traveling or vacation, make sure you try this. It's worth it. Thanks for watching today. And don't forget, subscribe and like please.